Welcome to Motivation at Hand, MAA. To know is to know how. In the midst of this chaotic world, where confusion reigns, Motivation at Hand Ma steps forth. Not to preach, but to reach to teach. To guide the youth and all. As a beacon in the storms that strain. For our memory of our past, the red flag we shall raise beseeches us too. In a time where uncertainty casts its shadows wide and far, Ma embraces the role of a gentle guide, an unwavering hand, acknowledging the challenges that each soul must bear, yet reminding all that life's journey is an adventure so grand. With a firm grasp of history's lessons, we rise. With wisdom garnered from trials endured, we carry the torch, illuminating the path ahead for the youth and all, ensuring with trust our spirits to stay self-assured. Ma offers a voice of otherness and inspiration. There is no intent to imposing a belief system nor rigid dogma. Ma works to be a door to offer some perspectives and clarity, to navigate the tumultuous seas with hearts resolute, embracing the natural fact that life, in itself, is an extraordinary story. So let the red flag wave, a symbol of awareness and truth, a call to embrace life's twists and turns with courage anew. In the chaotic world, where memories guide our way, Motivation at Hand beckons, inviting all to seize the adventure in each day. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.